Okay, so our sites have a virtual real estate function up top where they can schedule a virtual meeting. They can see the property and schedule if the client wants to get a 3D virtual chat, 3D tour virtual chat with the agent live, walking them through the property. They can get that. And now the new one is get neighborhood stats. I'm going to make a better graphic on this so that people get an intention. But when you click on this, it gives it tells them what they get, and I may even do a video because it's not jumping out, but when you put Bryn Mawr and view report, it shows new listings today, open house, and then it gives you stats. So and then gives you population, crime, employment, weather, income, costs, all this data, and then you can sign up for an email alert for new properties coming in and new information. So this is brand new. It just came out yesterday, and we're going to start doing these. Check right now. We're going to be giving a special deal for getting this installed and customized. So this is the way it comes from IDX broker, but we will be doing it, customizing it. And as we customize it, we'll send updates. Okay, so if you're interested, reach out and we'll help you. Thanks.